God.
Damn. Where are like the million hits?
That's what I want to know.
2170.
Okay, so yeah, that's okay. That's numero 1, 2, and 3, and one more for cost me.
At Farm Pod at Spaceballs Ross. All right, do it.
I mean, let's just. If you didn't think backup spins were a thing. Oh, that's the guy. Oh! Yeah.
Slot, 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 bros. Slot, 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 bros. Slot, 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 bros.
Yeah, let me just switch my cam quick. Hey, everybody.
Oh.
Welcome to the bonus opening. Shut up! Hey, everybody. Welcome to the bonus hunt opening portion of the evening. And you must be satisfied to be tuning in at this point, because we've spent all of this time spending money and earning bonuses. And now you haven't earned anything, but you're going to get to watch us open these bonuses. And it's going to be a delight. And throughout the bonus hunt reveal, we're going to take a shot of... we're going to do a
I don't know what
ranch.
we're doing. How does it work?
We're going to do a shotgun. We're going to do a ranch cock. And with that...
I'm going to come.
Oh my God.
Well, Carl also said, please don't do this. I might come. Maybe we shouldn't, because Carl might be on like a or I guess no, November's over. He might be on like a restriction where he can't like come. So I think for Carl's sake, this might not be good
Well, I didn't
for
know
him.
Carl was on a don't come restriction.
Well, yeah, I mean, we don't want to make him come. I mean, I think that maybe this might be out of hand. We don't want to, urge anyone to do anything they don't want to do.
All right, hold on. What's the first game? Let's not be ridiculous.
First game is Naughty Santa. Whoa!
Naughty Santa, of course it is. Oh, hell yeah. How much of a donate do you need for
For cum shots? Well, Deuce, I don't think there's any amount of donation that's going to accept that.
I don't even know what's going on anymore. This has gone completely off the rails, and it's not even supposed to be off the rails yet.
It's literally only me and Ben, so it can't get off the rails.
It already is. I wish we had taquitos.
Not a big deal. Not a big deal.
Dude,
It's not a big deal.
What you just did is a big deal.
There's a lot of ice. There's a lot of ice.
I know what that looks like.
There's a lot of ice. There's so much ice.
Gabe, don't do things like that.
I didn't try.
Gabe, this is...
I didn't... You act like I'm trying to sabotage you. I'm
are.
not. I'm not. Why would I try to sabotage you?
Don't do that again.
And just to be clear, the same amount of LaCroix went into this that went into the last one.
No, that's
okay?
not true.
Okay. Feel it.
It's heavy.
Very funny. We got a Soch.
This is the strongest drink I've ever had in my life.
We'll just pepper it in with the LaCroix. I'll give you another LaCroix.
No, just leave it.
I'm sorry. I tried.
It's fine. It's fine. Bonus number
I'm
one.
not trying to sabotage you.
Well, you're going to have to run the ones and twos in a minute here, for Christ's sake. Here we go. Bonus
Holy
number one.
ass, dude.
Sevens in chat. Bonus on. Here we go. Whoa. Oh, look at what we're looking at over here. Oh, my God.
I feel like this is... Oh, wait a minute. Oh, no.
It's a couple of 21s.
No, I feel like
The
this is going to be...
multiplier at the bottom is where you really cook.
This is a 90-cent bonus,
It's a
too.
90-cent bonus. Oh, my God.
Where are spins at?
I'm not really sure.
5. Okay.
5. Well, that's interesting.
Oh, what a Merrick. We're on Moto US.
Oh my god. Oh, what is... Santa, do something else.
No, he's not gonna do fucking S.
Fuck this bonus, stupid ass. Oh, 10x.
Terrible.
Thanks for nothing.
That was our best bonus, by the
Stupid
way.
ass Santa. Alright, what's next?
Joker split. A lot of these are like 20 cents. Some of them are like 60 to 80, but we are really going to need to put in some work here.
Yeah. Yeah, we are.
Oh, nice, Merrick. Hell yeah.
Oh, wow.
Come on, retirement.
Okay, here we go. Alright, so anything can happen, remember.
All right, we got an early queen.
Early Quay. And it's not a Quay, it's a Joker.
It's a J. Yeah, it's a J, actually. Okay, another J.
Yep. Drop more B symbols.
Hey, J.
Okay, we got that. Oh,
That'll
yeah.
J. That
Got a
J's.
couple of J's up top.
That's not going to J. Ah.
What the J?
Oh. Okay, J.
Okay, we got a J. Let's get some B's with our J's.
Ah. J. Okay, that's another J.
We'll open it back up. Oh. Yes!
That should do. Oh,
That's
what
a
a J. What a J.
That's a big J.
No, bad J. Such a bad J.
I mean...
Such a bad J. That was only a 20-cent bet, but still, such a bad J.
Alright, but the multipliers... Pretty smart.
No. Not worth.
We don't have it to do.
Perfect.
1, 2... Terrible.
Fire Rooster. Oh, J.
Okay.
Oh, J.
Alright, so this is going to be exciting. I think this is going to be a good bonus.
Ugh, I'm just
How many bonuses did we have?
like 8. I don't know.
8? Okay. After this one, we should do something. Great hit. Great hit. Top of the line, utility sport.
That is a good hit. Come on, we need more roosts.
Where, oh, 4, 3.
Oh,
Oh, they like shoot
roosts.
out fire and stuff.
What are our spin? Where are our, 2? Oh,
It's in the
God.
top right.
Come on, it's a 60-cent bet. Do us a little bit better. God.
It's like 24x. Get out of town with that biz.
Can we just get this ranch shit out of the way?
Yeah, let's do the ranch.
How is it? How does this work?
I'll go first. Hopefully it's a squirt top. It is. No. Stand me the back. I had a thought. Dong, you wanted a ranch shot, but what if I put the contents of the shot onto a vessel that I could throw in.
Nope,
with the...
that's cheating.
Alright, fine. I feel like I'm gonna open this. Is gonna score it out.
Ugh.
It's delightfully terrible. Ugh. Ugh.
Oh God.
Is there paper towel in this biz?
I don't know. It's right behind your monitor.
I mean, thanks for nothing. Ugh. Ugh. Go ahead. Are you thinking about it?
Alright, I'm actually just gonna do that. Okay.
Oh. Oh! Take this. You're gonna need it. Can you not say "come" in the chat, or is that just like for fun? Oh, you can say "come." Okay.
Oh.
All right. Oh God, no.
Oh Lord.
Wasn't bad.
Oh, it was.
It was pretty bad.
Oh my God. Whew. Ugh.
All right. What's next? So funny. I'm sure Dong didn't want you to puke. All right, what's the next game here? We gotta focus.
All right. 3 hot chili.
Everything is bad. Gabe, you gotta have my back on those.
Do it again.
Everything is bad. Okay, here we go. Ugh. Yucky.
Oof. All right. All right.
We still have a shotgun.
We're back.
But we're gonna pace that out a little. Okay. Some sort of re-spin.
Merrick, that's what we do. Please. Please.
Glad we got the respin, because this...
I mean, literally so many chances to hit anything. Okay, thank you. Jesus.
Okay.
Okay.
Ah, a couple of 50s. That equals $1.
A grand would be real nice.
Yeah, the grand would really get us out of a pickle at this point.
Yeah, no kidding.
Okay, come on, out of a pickle. Well, let's start seeing some words, for Christ's sake. 250.
Phil, we're still gonna do the shotgun. Just give us a sec.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what a Matt.
Okay, $4. That's a nice one.
I mean, it's not bad, but like we need some.
It's 8x, for Christ's sake. Just relax.
The hell was it doing? Oh, okay. Yeah. Come on now.
Here we go. This is it.
Come on. That's still not good.
Total schnitzel. What a wiener.
And that was supposed to be the good one.
Yeah. Well, it was the one that we couldn't get. 30x.
Well,
1,
15,
2,
Jesus.
And 3 and 4 by accident. All right. What's the
Vending
next?
machine. All right.
This is the one. Mark my words. Mark my words. This is the one. Are you ready? Let's get some 7s in chat. I want to see 7s in the chat. If you have a keyboard, if you have a mouse, type 7s in chat. All right, here we go.
Do the goddamn 7s, please. Holy cow. There it is. So many 7s.
big.
More than I can even count.
Last round. Do you
Oh, yeah.
play? Yes, of course. All right, this is big. This is big.
So we don't want to get deactivated. That's what we don't want.
What? Oh my god, why is this so fast? We only have one spin? What's going on?
Oh, did we get deactivated? Fuck! Okay, activated. Good. No! If we get deactivated from all of them, then it goes away. But we can reactivate if we get the lightning bolt. No!
Oh my god. Lovely. Lightning bolts, for crying out loud. Lightning bolts.
Yep, and that's it.
Unless we have a tumble.
Oh! Oh! What a save! What a save! Oh! We'll take that. Ooh! That's our first almost 100x win. Holy cow.
Good thing I let everybody know that this was going to be a good one.
We have 3 bonuses left. Count them 3.
Okay, I think I'm going to do one more here just for posterity.
For prosperity?
Yeah, for a prosperity link. All right.
Battle tanks. I think this might have been a... Was this a 60 center?
I don't remember, but I picked it. I don't remember, but I picked it.
God.
Whew. What?
Range cock was the worst.
Wait, what am I supposed to do here? I pick one?
Yeah,
All right,
destroy
there's
a
1,
tank.
2,
Destroy a
3,
tank.
4, 5. Should I just pick one?
Yeah.
Oh, I just destroy them all. What?
Oh, that was terrible. That's a bad bonus. That's all it is. Nothing more or less. Wow. All right.
Alright, give me more.
All right. All right. So
8
16.
at a time. And one more for posterity's sake. Alright.
All right. Cai Shen.
What?
Cai Shen.
Trish.
Yeah, it was Trish. It ended up being
How many
16,
more bonuses do we have?
but 2, including this one.
Including this one. Should we do the shotgun now?
We'll do it at the end. Whatever.
Okay.
We'll do it at the end. That'll match up with right before we switched to After
Oh,
Dark.
this is a 20-cent shark, right? This is like
28 cents, but we never know. But it is 4. Got 12 spins. So what we
too
want...
bad we can't have locking Cai Shens.
Yeah, no kidding. Yeah, I wouldn't, Merrick, unless they have another bonus or something.
Well, I mean, we did kind of recover, you know, at $20 or whatever. Ah. Really?
So many 3s.
So the Cai Shens are really
like...
there. If we could get one hit, I mean, one hit will take us to, you know.
Oh, that'll do.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, not as many as I thought, though.
bad.
Damn.
With the hay.
Oh,
Alright,
my
relax,
God.
360. Okay.
Oh, we're not done yet. Thank God. Holy shit.
Oh
So
my God.
bad.
Can we get this Cai Shen guy, like, in the beginning? Yeah, there we go.
Oh!
Oh, yeah. Okay, I mean, it's wonderful news.
We are on a minor cook.
Ugh.
Oh, with the books. No, it doesn't do fucking
Books
ass.
are nothing! Kidding me? $150. Okay. We need a big lineup here to we gotta get back. Okay, yeah.
Well, I mean, we're over 100x on this game.
Yeah.
Or I guess not quite, but close.
God.
Damn. Where are like the million hits?
That's what I want to know.
2170.
Okay, so yeah, that's okay. That's numero 10, 2, and 3, and one more for cost me
At Farm Pod at Space Bus Ross. All right, do it.
I mean, let's just if you didn't think backup spins were a thing. Oh, that's the guy. Oh, yeah. We got
Look
the
at
guy. We got the guy.
Oh! Who would have known?
Oh! Get me! What, are you kidding me? Ah! That's the whole last bonus!
That's hilarious.
Alright, this is gonna be a cook here. Max win. Max win!
Oh, look at all those 60s and 3s.
Oh!
This is where it's at.
Oh!
Come on now.
Kidding me? They gotta be kidding us.
Yeah.
Alright, that's a wiener hit. Don't worry about it.
All right, ever real, please. Very nice. That's what I like to see.
there's a lot of stuff.
A lot of 6s, but I like those lots of numbers. Come on.
Oh, sure, 9 cents. Just flowing out.
It's got to be a buck.
90 cents. Oh, they didn't like that one. Unfortunately, that one didn't make it to the end, I noticed.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. We got some cooks. Oh, not many.
Not many. Alright. I mean, we're gonna do this 1 penny at a time.
Oh, there it is. Oh.
Alright, here we go. Big time. All Cai Shens. Full Cai Shen!
I mean, 41.38. Can't complain about that.
And that was on,
Backup.
yeah, not only was it on a backup, it was on, a 4th backup that was not required.
Yeah, good call, Ben.
1. 2.
Oh, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. We're winning left and right. Oh, my gosh. Don't forget to like that stream, everyone.
And
17.38.
And then just one more for posterity's sake. Whoa, with a win like that, we'll do one more.
Get the H out of this H.
Alright. What's next?
Our last bonus is Santa's Inn, which is a buy. It was a $10 buy, so...
Social Ranch.
Fuck out of here, Jero, with your bullshit.
Alright, what is it?
The Santa's Inn.
Santa's Inn. Okay. I don't have a lot of
But
faith in
Jero,
this,
I
but
will
it's gonna be
do
fun.
a social for you.
That seems like more symbols than we need.
Well, it's not always as it seems. Yep, terrible. Well, let's hit something. Oh! Oh! Oh. Love the 4 cents. So many 4 cents.
Keep them 4 cents coming.
What was this bet? Oh, yeah. Oh, no, we bought it. So it was like a 10-cent bet?
Yeah.
Oh, yikes.
We're alright. We've already won close to 250 cents.
Yeah, we're on our way.
Where's the train?
Apparently nowhere. Literally nowhere.
Oh my god. Where the hell is the train?
Oh, you're switching it to the wrong symbol.
Santa train. I want Santa train.
Yeah, where the hell is this goddamn
whatever the
train?
hell bear. Bring out the bear, Santa train, whatever. There. Yep.
Take a fucking lap. This is dog shit.
Fuck you, Rudolph. You're crazy. Your eyes are crazy. Your teeth suck.
We didn't lose that much on it, but
No, it was fine. And one more for posterity's sake.
all right.
Alright, we're out of here.
Well, back to the drawing board. I guess we can do our shotgun and then start after dark.
Alright, are we gonna buy it?
Nope.
There, everybody's saying to buy it!
Who? Who is everybody?
Literally, Jero, Farm Pot, Smokestacks, Farm Pot, Stevie.
That's funny.
OG, Jero, Dusky, Smokestacks, Farm Pot.
Fine. Do the dead. Do the dead. Do the dead. I hope I'm wrong. I really do. I really do. Because I want to win money. I hope I'm wrong.
Here we
Do
go.
the dead.